What's going on, lovely people? Good morning. Happy Tuesday. It's going to be another great day in the markets, better than yesterday. We got a special guest on the stream today, the one and only Pablo, the man of the markets. What's going on, man?
What's going on? What's going on, man?
Not much, just living the dream. Just try to get over this freaking head cold. Didn't sleep. Whoa, don't know what's going on with my charts. Didn't sleep at all last night, but let's kind of go through our typical morning routine, and then we'll get Pablo's thoughts on the charts thereafter. Looking at the day today as far as economic headlines go, not much this morning. Not much this morning. I mean, you have the consumer confidence at 10 o'clock in the morning, but a little later this morning with that headline. So don't really have too much to worry about. As far as headlines that came out overnight, typical China shit. They have a meeting. 700 GMT. When is that? 700 GM. So 2 a.m. Okay, so they must have already had it. I don't know. They're supposed to have a press conference. China is to discuss ending COVID zero, because they have all those, the protests and shit going on over there. So could be an interesting play to keep an eye on for oil. If we do get China ending COVID zero, could bring some demand back on the market. But oh, Bordelam, I knew you'd be in the chat today. He said, "Don't let him tempt you with oil, Pablo." Uh,
I'll try not to.
oh my God, clown. Anyways, now that that's out of the way, we got looking at the Dixie today. I honestly thought we'd get a little bit more of a continuation overnight because it's such the we had this nice double bottom. We had some really nice exhaustion going on. Dip buying coming in at 105.3. Strong bullish close. I mean, it came out of the lows like a bat out of hell, and it closed just super strong. I figured we'd start off the overnight session pulling back a little bit to retest this 106 area. I just didn't think we'd hang out here entire overnight session, but we did. So ideally, what I see today, and this is what I'm looking at, is we see a continuation from this 106, because right now the way I see it is the Dixie sitting in this consolidation right here. The highs sitting at 107.9, the lows sitting at, let's say, 105.5. And so we're sitting in this consolidation, and we already had rejected and dip bought off the lows here. And we're now more or less at the 50% mark of this consolidation, which is where we had rejected from yesterday. Pulled back a little bit, created a Fibonacci retracement of around 38.2%. And so I'm looking for the Dixie to get moving this morning to the upside. But however, devil's advocate, if we do start breaking these lows of 106 even, then it looks like it's in play to fill this move from yesterday overnight session, and we'll head back down to 105.4 at the bottom end of the range. That is on the sell side. However, I am looking more towards the pop out of this wedge in here to break through these highs, at least back up towards 106.8, probably towards 107, and then we'll see how we react towards 107's resistance area. Oh, man. Looking at rates kind of just consolidating as well. Not really much action going on over there. Maintaining this more or less equal highs here, equal lows. We're kind of just like wedging in here a little bit. And so looking for a little bit of a pop in the rates today as well. We are now sitting at this previous area of support, and looks like we're basing here this morning. So I'd like to see a pop in the rates back towards the high of the overnight session as well. So rates and the dollar look decent for longs today. So I'm going to keep an eye on then equities. potential shorts if that's the case, and charts looking like they are agreeing with me. Last night I had triggered my sell area. I didn't take it because I was already in a couple of plays. But looking at it fresh, daily closed massive bearish engulfing on the Dow yesterday. What happened here is you had this previous high back from August, broke through that high, massive bearish engulfing, just a nice liquidity grab there. And so we have now a potential continuation down back towards this liquidity zone in here, this 33,000, big area of rejection. So looking at the hourly finding some support here at 33.8, finding some buyers in this zone here. So we might get a little bit more of a retracement. However, we are setting this consolidation though. So ideally, what we see is, God. I wouldn't want to see too much of a retracement out of here because the rates in the Dixie are already at areas where I think we could buy from. And so if we start getting a retracement out of here, that means that the Dixie and rates are more are probably invalidated, and then we're not going to get sells in the equities today. So right now we're sitting in this range, not really a clean area for me to find sells unless we just retrace back up to this 33,950 and just took sells off of that same resistance, because we are basing here. We're sitting right now at the 50% of this consolidation for the Dow. So don't really have an opinion on this right now. I'm just going to kind of let it play out a little more because it doesn't really have a clear, just, hey, like clear setup popping out to me. You know, maybe if we popped up towards this 33,907 area, then maybe I'd look for some, you know, sells there to continue down. But nothing too clear for me on that one this morning. Taking a look at gold. Excuse me. Taking a look at gold. Gold finding some resistance. It got some legs in it overnight. And I tell you, it's a damn good thing I didn't try to take the shorts I was looking for on gold last night, because this thing just powered right through that shit. And looking pretty strong. Looking at the daily coming back up into this big area of liquidity. Looking left, it's an area where we've had a lot of buyers exhaustion here before. Decent pivot point area. And so we're running into that previous area of resistance. Last 4-hour candle closed as a doji. Indecision here at this rejection area. This is also that area where the head and shoulders neckline is. Going to be a strong area of resistance. Current 4-hour dipped into this rejection area, now pulling off a little bit. So I'd like to see sells with gold pretty much where we're at here. Excuse me. So yesterday had the high, broke the highs, and then came down, broke these lows, and now we're back up to retest this high point. So I'm liking sells where we're at, to be honest. I might even consider selling now because we had that 15-minute bearish engulfing at this resistance double top, declining RSI tops here. So if I can get like a wick retracement back up towards this resistance here, I might consider taking a sell on gold. So going to keep an eye on this one. Maybe wait for the 30-minute to close, because we had a strong 30-minute candle on the last close. But regardless, we did fill this move from yesterday. Came back up to retest this liquidity grab here. So looking for sells in gold to retrace some of this overnight session, maybe back down towards 1746. Oil looking a little naughty here. It's looking at the hourly chart. We did come through and break this trend line here. Came out strong from the lows here of yesterday's morning session, and powered right through this 77, powered right through 78, and we're now above this broken trend line here. We are now coming up into this area of previous resistance this whole area here has been a struggle. It's been a pivot point where we intersected with this trend line last time. That's where we had a lot of hesitation in oil previously the last couple of weeks. And so not sure I really am comfortable trading oil today because of all the China headlines coming out. We have China that had a conference about ending COVID zero today, and I don't see any. Um, I didn't really look, but I haven't seen any news on that yet. I assume if news came out, oil would be doing a lot more than just consolidating this morning. However, not sure I'm going to be comfortable trading oil today just because China headlines can come out in a second and it could go wherever the hell it wants. So going to probably sit on my hands with oil today. But if I were to trade it, I like the sells off this resistance here to get a little. It's more of a little bit of a mean reversion play here. Not a huge play because I do overall think that buys long term, not long term, but buys in the next couple of weeks are in play for oil. But it's kind of setting up here for a little bit of an inverted head and shoulders play. And so I'd like to see a pullback down towards 77.03, retest this neckline, or I guess this previous shoulder for oil, to head back up and start rallying back out of here. So whether you want to take the mean reversion play at 79.70, pretty much where we're sitting, or you want to wait for the longs at 77, I'll probably wait for the longs at 77 because of all the headlines that are coming out right now for oil. So I'm probably just going to be playing some gold today, but and maybe the equities. Taking a look at pound yen, decent sells. This decent sell area last night. I was keeping an eye on this 166 700 area. It didn't quite reach my 750 700 area, but it came close enough. I didn't take it because I was trading this pound AUD short, which I am so pissed off because I could have like tripled the amount of money I would have made on this bitch. But regardless, pound yen had a good sell last night, and I'm looking for a continuation here. We keep chopping down here, stair-stepping our way down, and now we're sitting back, retesting this most recent breakdown. And so what I'm looking for is ultimately a continuation back down towards like 164 zone. Maybe not, I don't know if it'll hit there today, but that's where I'm looking for the overall move to head for pound yen. But right now it's not too clean, little choppy. This zone that we're entering right here, very choppy zone. Not a fan, so probably will be sitting on my hands with pound yen today as well. There's no clean downside target. And if I were looking for sells for pound yen, I'd be looking for sells in the area that we're approaching now. And then you can just, hope that it has enough momentum to ride through all this chop looking left. But not a huge fan myself. Born would love 74.40, but probably won't get that. 74.40, that's very hopeful. Very hopeful. Yeah. Like you said, we probably won't get that. You can hope and wish. I mean, look, if we get that, I'll be buying myself, but I don't know. It's a lot to hope for. But yeah. All right. Well, now that my spiel's done, what are you looking at, Pablo? What are you looking to trade today?
So I really liked your gold analysis actually. So I feel like we're in deep premium from yesterday's down close candle. I sometimes when I enter my positions, I look for that 60-70% with Fibonacci retracement.
Yep.
And we got that, so I think we can start looking for some sell setups there. I probably go into a lower time frame, like a 5-minute or 3-minute, look for in confirmation setup, and I'll take those sales with you. And instead of the Dow, I'm looking at NQ.
That's right.
We retraced 50% of yesterday's down close candle. I think we're forming these higher lows on the 15-minute and the 5-minute. I would like to see those higher lows get ran to the downside and to retest on the back end. Just like that, yes, sir. And I would like to enter on a retest of those higher lows getting ran.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense because I was sitting here struggling. I was like, I don't know where I can find a good entry on these indices this morning, but that makes a lot
Mm,
more sense waiting for the lows to get ran than looking for the retest because I'm over
yeah,
here looking for some kind of like, oh, where can I sell up here? But there's really no clean area to sell up here, so that makes a lot more sense with what you said.
and I would like to take the indices down to previous day lows. Um, I think that would be a clean trade. Might not set up till maybe later, maybe an hour from now, but I think I'm willing to wait for that today.
Yeah, I like that. I'll
Um,
probably take that with you.
oil,
Get that.
oil just seemed, yeah, I'm probably not gonna touch oil.
Yeah.
Um, it's a little bit, it's a little bit weird.
Yeah, it is weird this morning, and it's not it's not going to be an easy trader today because of the China stuff going on. So,
Mhm. Yeah, so I like gold. I'm just kind of waiting on that right
so
now.
gold and
Based
the
on,
Nasdaq.
yeah, and Nasdaq.
Yeah.
Yeah, the Dow Jones, I feel like it needed to have a higher retracement for me to enter. So if I enter
Mm.
here, I'll be a little worried. I'll be a little scared of that. Um,
No,
I was looking
I
at,
hear you.
I was looking at S&P. I also wanted almost a deeper retracement on that, so I might stay away. It's
Yeah.
like, it's almost like this the current 15 minutes we close below VWAP, we retesting that breakdown, and a part of me wants to sell, but a part of me wants to sell at a higher price. So it's either waiting to see if these lows get taken or waiting to see if the current daily high from London Open gets taken to later continue selling.
Yeah. Yeah, my only thing with I agree and because the Nasdaq is at better prices to sell.
Mhm.
So I do like that. The only thing with the Dow is lately the Dow's been the leader of the indices on the way up and on the way down. And so like it's just gonna be a different kind of trader because it's gonna sit here, it's gonna consolidate, and it's gonna just kind of dump because it's the leader right
Mhm.
now. So it's like the Nasdaq will eventually follow, but it's setting up a little better for a cleaner entry. Whereas the Dow,
Yeah.
there's not giving you a really clean entry because it's kind of leading the way down. So, but that kind of makes sense to me. I might end up trading the Nasdaq with you today as well. It's a little bit more of a clean setup than anything else.
Yeah, I like that. Actually, I'm gonna wait, see how that works out.
So. Oh man. But I'm gonna run through Zero Hedge real quick to see if there's anything that I should be aware of. Um uh no. Biden's gender fluid nuclear official. What the fuck? Gender fluid. Oh my god. What the fuck is that? Yo, I don't God damn. Oh.
That's
I'm
funny.
gonna get fucking. I'm gonna get knocked on the stream here from YouTube because I'm.
You're gonna get
Bordelop
flagged.
said sexy. Sam Britton, a gender fluid nuclear expert. What the hell, dude? That's what's. Hang on, guys. Just so you know, this is what's defending our country and representing our country right here. Whatever the fuck this is. So, charged with felony theft after stealing a piece of luggage from the Minneapolis airport. Oh man! All right, off this topic here. Heading on over to back to what the hell? I did not need to see that this morning. Portalov, that's naughty. She was exposed to a bit too much radiation. That's not right. Oh shit, that's not right.
Bro.
Oh, you're going to hell.
Oh.
Uh, oh man, Sweden seeks to revoke permanent residency permits. Oh man, Apple threatens to ban Twitter from App Store, and the pissing match begins. That's a damn. Moroccan fans celebrate World Cup by rioting in European cities. Yeah, fucking Jesus. Yeah, okay. I think we're good.
If this current 15-minute or let me see.
Oh, look at gold.
If on gold, yeah, if the current 30-minute closes engulfing the previous 30-minute or the 15-minute closes below these wicks, I might look to enter an initial position
Yeah.
on a retracement.
I like that. I'm gonna do the same. I want to look for an initial entry, and then as it starts breaking these lows here, and maybe giving us a retest, then I'll add my second entry.
Yeah, I agree with that.
Look for a continuation down. Kind of similar to that NASDAQ play here, breaking the lows, retesting.
Oh yeah, it is. Yeah.
Oh, I'm dying over here. Jesus. All right. Let's go gold. It's gold in the hills. Dixie looking like it really wants to break out of this fucking thing here. Just ready to go. So that'd be good because that would give us a nice, easy, quick gold trade. God, I'm dying, dude. Gold looking.
Yeah, I like this closing.
Yeah,
I
dude,
like
it's
that.
looking beautiful. Wow, absolutely beautiful. Borderline says gold 1531. We're all look ready to roll. Let's roll, baby. I love this 15-minute setup. Double top, bearish engulfing, confirmation of resistance. Yeah, dude. This is looking nice. Bearish engulfing on the 30-minute. Man, I'm going to take an initial entry on a upper wick of the next candle.
Yeah. Can you hear my magic keys?
No.
Okay, good.
Usually I can from when people use magic keys, but I get not this time.
It's yeah, because I think I just switched it to my headphones, and that's probably why you can't.
Okay, yeah.
That's good because I was changing my position size, and it was just like it sounded
Boing,
like a
boing,
song.
boing.
Yeah, exactly. So I was like, that's probably annoying.
All right, I'm gonna snag one. I'm gonna snag one once the 5-minute retest 1754.73. I'm gonna be a dick for a tick here.
Yeah, actually, that's exactly what I'm looking at too.
Oh yeah. All right. Let's see.
I got it.
Yeah, I'm taking one right now. All right, just took a sell. All right. See if we can get this thing to roll over. Shall we? Alrighty.
Where are you looking to take this?
Just
I'm
looking
looking
at
at
that.
this.
What's that?
Oh, go ahead.
Yeah, go ahead. Where are you looking to take it?
I'm looking at this 1747 area.
Yep. This
Is those
right here?
3 down candles? Yeah, there we go.
Yeah, that's exactly where I was going to take it as well. I mean, it seems right. I mean, this is an area the last couple of days that's been a consolidation phase for gold. And so now that we're leaving this upper end here, we should head down back to the bottom of the consolidation here and to retest this previous support, this previous bearish candle here where we broke out from. So, yeah, 1747 is going to be my target as well.
I'm gonna put alert on NASDAQ.
Oh, right. On what, the break of the low?
Yeah, it's around maybe closer to VWAP.
Yeah.
Well, my VWAP. I don't know. We have the same. We have the same VWAP, but you know what I mean.
Yeah, I'm not sure what your price is.
Mm.
Because are you using the NAS 100, right? Or the US 100?
US 100.
Yeah.
Are you using NQ?
I use NQ, yeah. Oh yeah, so ours is a little different.
Yeah, it's gonna be off by a couple points.
Borderline 5 minute looks to have a good point of control around 1750. Let's see this point of control. You got it going here. For the day, or let's see. For the consolidation. Right up. For the last 2 days. I don't know. I don't know. I give up. 1750 is where VWAP is. So
Yeah. My point of control is right where price is at right now, where it's facing.
yeah,
It's
same.
minute.
Yeah, that's exactly where mine's sitting too.
Is divergence between gold and silver a thing?
Um,
Like kind of how the way I use divergence between the indices.
right.
Yeah. I'm just looking at these higher highs on silver, which are the higher lows on gold, and I'm just like I don't know.
Right. I don't know, dude. I don't know, because that's a good question. I usually just trade it around the gold to silver ratio, depending on which one I want to pick to trade. But I don't know if there's any correlation for divergence. Borderline, you've studied this shit. You let us know if there's divergence between them. If one's going up and the other's not, or if one's creating higher highs and the other's not. Is there a divergence where it kind of tells a story and gives us a hint? Because it's a good question. Dixie. Nice strong close. Dixie seems like it wants to get going out of here. So it's a matter of time before gold rolls over.
The next 15 minutes should be good. Especially on Dixie, I would like to see a close above all those previous wicks.
On the Dixie?
On the I'm looking at the 15-minute above these lower highs.
These right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, I agree. I like that. Victorious. Nice
little short on the market there.
Oh, good. I'm short gold, so.
I'm out. I made my money.
All right. Got NASDAQ.
The breaking the.
Below the
Oh
trend line.
shit! Yeah, look at that.
Yeah.
Nice.
Now I got my eyes on that.
Yeah.
On a good close below.
That's sometimes my problem, dude. Is I get so caught up in the trade I'm in that I forget to look at other things.
Yeah. No, I'm glad I said that alert. I'll do the same thing. And then I look back at it 30 minutes and I'm like, oh, there goes one.
Yeah. Right. Exactly.
Yeah.
Borlam said they tend to follow each other, just a matter of which is stronger, in my opinion. So take that for what it's worth.
We get a nice close below VWAP.
Yeah, dude. NAS is looking nice. US 100. Which one? So
I have US 100 and the liquidity providers currency. Yeah.
Yeah. So have you? So like when I pick certain, I guess because there's a bunch of different like liquidity providers and there's a bunch of different like symbols for certain things in oil and stuff, and like is US 100 provide better like charts and setups than the NQ? Have you noticed at all? Or
I feel like the it's closer to my actual broker.
okay, got it. That makes sense. Yeah.
So that's why
That makes sense.
I use it. But I mean, no other reason than that. For some reason, for like the longest time, my VWAP wasn't working on NQ or like the actual future symbols. So then I ended up, I mean, it's fixed now, it works now, but I ended up switching it up because of that.
Got it. Makes sense. Yeah. Huh. Interesting.
Can get a flip of this 15-minute candle on gold. I would love to see that on a bearish close.
Gold. Oh yeah, dude, that'd be the next 3 minutes. That'd be beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, price is a lot closer on US 100 versus NQ over on the broker on the Traders Global Group. Huh.
Yeah.
Like it's like way closer. Interesting. Maybe I'll start using. Okay, so I had NAS 100. Okay, so US 100.
Yeah, it's weird. So it's like NAS 100,
Yeah,
US 100.
NAS 100 USD is what I use because I use US30 USD, and that's
Mhm.
what like these are what like Q and them use. That's why I had it on my chart. So I never
Yeah.
even freaking know what to.
And the thing is, like, all of them have their own liquidity, like, all of them
Right.
have like 3 different liquidity providers. So then you're looking at like, including NQ, you could be looking at like
Right.
9 different liquidity providers for the same exact thing. That's just annoying.
Yeah, exactly.
Like,
Nice 15-minute on gold. Look at that. Wow.
there we go.
Beautiful.
Yep. Now I get that closure there. We'll probably get another retest of the same, if not for the same area.
Yeah. Wow.
And we got NASDAQ finally
Oh God, yes.
hoping closing below this VWAP area that I was flirting with.
Yeah, let me pull up just fucking US 100. Where we at? Add. No, not compare. Fuck, I forgot how to do it. There we go. All right, there we go. Nice NAS.
Yeah.
So you're looking for a retest, or are you looking for a retest of VWAP? Like, how are you going to play this one?
I'm looking at it right now.
Yeah.
I would like to see, let me see, 11:30, 11:6:34 is on the 15-minute. Is right the bodies of those wicks. So we're able to close right there. I would like to enter somewhere like 11:6:43, 11:6:41-ish,
Okay.
which is the beginning of the 15-minute bullish candle, the last 15-minute bullish
Right.
candle. I have myself somewhere above there.
Makes sense.
That's what I'm thinking.
Oh, gold. Beautiful 15-minute close.
Yeah. I might actually look for my second position on this right now.
Same. All right. Sell. All right. Let's give it a go.
I put a limit in, like right above its current price. So let's see if it gets triggered.
Nice. All right. Yeah, I just took my second entry. All right, what's NAS? Damn. I hope we get a nice retracement of NAS. So 5 minutes back at these lows.
I was putting my entry in. I wasn't paying attention to that. Like, okay, let's see. Um, honestly, maybe just a retest of this VWAP area is enough for me to head
on,
into.
on the 5 minute or the one, like, regardless, whatever,
15.
15 minute.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at.
So if it comes back up, go and look for sells.
Yeah. Yeah. I might start with like half position too. Let me see.
Yeah, that's a good idea. You grab sells.
Yeah, I just grabbed the minus entry on that. So I'm probably just chilling like this for a little bit.
Yeah. Yeah, Dixie's probably in for a 5 minute retest of this breakout.
Yeah.
So we're getting a little bit of a breather in gold and NASDAQ. I'll grab some shorts if we retest like 645.
I see it. Yeah.
Alrighty. NASDAQ. I don't even know what, dude, I don't even know what lot size this is. What lot size do I get in?
Oh, bro, your account size is way bigger than mine. So,
Like
let me
a
see.
20 lot? Because Dow, dude, Dow getting like a 30 lot.
I am currently. Let
What's
me
a full
see.
position for you in a lot size?
I'm a 10 lot on Nasdaq.
10, so I'll probably
So
do
half size.
30 lot.
So that'll be like a 30 lot for you.
30
Yeah.
lot full position.
I feel like 30 lot would be like half size.
Oh, okay. So 10 is your half?
10 is half. Yeah.
Okay. Got it.
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah. Leverage is a
All
crazy
right.
thing.
I just took a sell. All right. Let's party.
Yeah, I think the X is doing a retest to continue moving up.
Yeah, agreed. Yeah, Dixie pulling off. Oh, I'm dying over here. Don't mind me. All right.
I would like to see a strong hourly bullish on Dixie. If we continue forming these lowest highs on the hourly, you'll fill me up a little bit.
Yeah, I'm with you on that one.
So I'm hoping this is just grabbing a liquidity. The 15-minute looks
Oh, yeah,
clean.
because 5 minutes so it closes. That's right.
Yeah. So nice grab on this and then continue moving up.
Yeah. Five minutes left till the 8 o'clock. Candle.
Mm-hmm.
Righty. Man.
The hourly, if it finish on NASDAQ, if it finishes with a big wick to the downside,
Yeah.
I might cut it
Yeah.
because I wouldn't like to see that at all.
Yeah, it's pretty ugly. Yeah. I'm with you on that one. Well, good thing I'm only down
Wow.
$117.
Yeah, but I'm only exactly. I'm only in with a
Half position.
high position, so I'm not really
Right.
mad about that. I really like this goal setup though, so
Yeah.
hopefully it just rolls over.
Yeah, I'm with you. Oh, man. watching the Dixie here. Dixie has these more or less flat tops, but we have these nice ascending lows. And so I'm going to watch to see if it creates another higher low to continue on higher. I might just have more time of setting up. So I'm just going to keep an eye on the Dixie to see if it can give me any hints.
Yeah. I was looking for the retest, kind of where it's at, kind of around your VWAP, and yeah, exactly right there. And then to continue moving up, that's what I was looking at.
Yeah, I like that. Does VWAP work on your Dixie?
No,
Oh, I thought you said VWAP. Okay.
I did say VWAP. I was looking at your screen. I said your VWAP.
Oh, yeah, the 66.
Yeah. I don't know why, like, Dixie, NQs, VIX, my VWAP is just like not.
It might
Doesn't
not
really
work either.
Yeah, I'm like, why does it look like that? Well, NQ's fixed. Well, NQ,
And
USYM,
it works for
those
my
are fixed.
futures.
Yeah.
It doesn't work. Just doesn't work for my Dixie in my currency index. Oh man.
This hourly close was gross. That's that.
On the Nasdaq. Yeah, dude. It's ugly as shit. Yeah, it is ugly. What's the gold looking like? Penis. Hourly bearish and golfing at least. Oh yeah. Gonna have to be patient on this one, I guess.
I kind of like this 4 hour where we kind of have like a doji on the gold.
Yeah.
On the previous 4 hour, and as so far it looks like we might looking at rejection to the upside.
Yeah.
So if the next hour we're able to have a bearish close, I would really like.
Yeah, I agree. I like that.
Wow, I'm definitely a little slow to that.
Morning, Nick. How's it going, bro? What, you a little slow today?
Yeah, I closed out part of my position in Nasdaq.
Okay.
I just didn't like the hourly close.
Yeah.
I closed out a little more than one.
Yep.
know what the rest do this thing.
Yeah. I'm just
And
sitting.
then I'll add it back on once I have a confirmation of downside.
Yeah. Nice. Slept in till 7. Man, what do you think this is? Oh, man. Dixie's sitting here at this trend line
Yeah.
retest. $17.56.40 is a nice entry short. Pretty much where we're sitting now, I guess is what you're saying. Yeah, dude, I got yeah, Nick, I'm a little sick. I don't know what I got. Got like a stuffy nose and a little bit of a sore throat. Pushing through it. All right, gold. Enough playing games here. Don't make me add, motherfucker.
Don't make me add.
Yeah. Don't do it, Tyler. Don't do it. All right, I'll do it. Sell. I added on my gold. All right, I'll do it.
I would want to see it take out
These highs.
that high. Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I added, because I figured it's a clean area that if it breaks these highs, I'll probably reevaluate.
Yeah. If it breaks those highs out, I'll park it out.
Yeah. I like where we're sitting though, because the Dixie's finding a higher low, the gold's finding a lower high here, so potentially seeing that similar price action would be nice.
All right. Now we got NASDAQ back to VWAP.
Yeah. Let's see, where's this neckline of the head and shoulders? Sitting right here. Oh, look at that. That's where I added. Neckline. All right, nice gold.
Bordelon said you got spoiled on gold 2 weeks
I
ago.
know that motherfucker. Nah, dude. Nah. You're spoiled. Because you get to watch me take these trades and you get to make bank with me. You're spoiled. It's all right. I mean, I'm getting the same trades. They're just taking a little longer. I guess still get the same wins. All right. Nice. I hope gold just dumps because I sniped the top of that bitch.
There we go. Yeah, you did. And it's doing its thing.
I told you, man. Just gotta be patient with this bitch. Come on, Borlam. Be patient.
I like the current 15-minute. That looks clean. That
Yeah,
looks so nice.
super nice. Dixie's finding some support here. Yeah, let's go, baby. Come on. Dude, if this thing, once gold dumps to 1747, yo, we are in business today. Business, dude. I'm sitting on 30 lots.
That's crazy.
Business.
Let's see.
Yeah, about 10 minutes we got COMEX open. I like to get a cushion in front of COMEX open. Start dumping here.
Mm-hmm.
All right, gold. Oh, motherfucker. 3, 2, 1. New 5 minute.
ES trying to break.
ES trend break. What do you mean, just not reaching the same prior highs? Is that like what you're referring to, or? Yeah, ES looks like it wants to dump off.
Yeah.
I'd be okay with that because that typically means that gold's going to dump off as well.
It means my NASDAQ's gonna dump off as well.
That's right. Everything's just going to dump off. Here's the dumps. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at that NASDAQ. Beautiful.
Mm-hmm. There you go, gold.
Wow. Wow, look at the ES. Holy shit. What the fuck?
What happened?
Hang on. What news came out? Holy
Is
shit.
Trump back on Twitter?
I just put up my tweet deck. I mean, maybe no news, maybe just a nasty liquidity grab, but that was a fast move for 8:11 in the morning.
Too fast. Yeah, that was weird.
What? I don't see any news. I just think that was a nasty I don't know what that was. Like fat finger? The fuck? That was a dirty, like 5-second move. Even gold reacted to it.
Yeah.
Oil's dumping a little bit. Yeah. Damn, dude. I'm really liking this gold play.
Deep in profits too.
Wow.
Yeah, I really like
Dude.
this 30-minute, this 15-minute on gold.
Yeah.
We can just keep that wick
Yeah.
where it's at,
100%.
have the currently hourly closing below these wicks.
100%. Oh, dude, I'm gonna make so much fucking money today on gold. I can't even. Oh my god.
Yeah, I'm about to check Twitter.
I have TweetDeck pulled up. There's no news that came out.
Nothing. That was weird.
Yeah, that was really weird. Yeah, I don't see anything. Just look at gold dumping, dude. Dude, oh my god. Okay. All right. Oh, baby, come on. Let's go to 1747. You gonna make daddy some Christmas presents today. I'm gonna buy myself a nice Christmas present after this move. Let's go. Oh, Nick in gold with us. Awesome. Let's all right. Oh my god, look at this. Go. Man, I am just flabbergasted. This is beautiful. I am just sitting so pretty right now. Oh,
Yeah, that third entry, bro. That was
dude,
nice. That was nice.
come on, man. They don't call me the Forex King for nothing. Oh, make gold my bitch.
I have this indicator on my chart
Uh-huh.
that when a a high takes out a previous high and
Okay.
breaks structure, it's like a higher probability um sell or buy. I guess in this
Uh-huh.
scenario it would be sell.
Yep.
So it'll like highlight the candle that took out the previous high. And that's exactly where you were looking at your entry. And I'm looking at it too.
Oh,
And
right
I'm like,
here.
yeah, so you see how like it takes out that intermediate
Yep.
high right there,
Yep.
and that becomes the next high. So that's kind of like
Hey, dude, right here.
yeah.
Grab that entry right
So
there, baby. That's where my entry was. Come on.
yeah, I know. So I had the my candle highlight, like it highlights the candle automatically.
Come on
So I was
now. You
looking
had
at
a
it
highlight
and
and
I was like,
everything.
yeah, bro. But after like I have two positions on it, I'm not
Scared
they're
money don't
both
make money.
high. So I was like, you're right, but
Come
I
on.
don't know. But I was just looking at it, and now when you had that entry, I was like, oh, maybe I should have taken it. But it is what it is.
Dude, it's just sometimes you just have to
Nasdaq.
say fuck it.
Nasdaq.
Yeah, dude. I don't know what's going on because everything's just dumping, dude.
Yeah.
Do you? Oh, in Discord, I don't see it. Germany consume preliminary November consumer prices fall, right? Ah, so Germany news. It was where's my economic calendar here? It
CPI was down minus.
was Germany CPI.
Mm-hmm.
Germany CPI came out. It was hot or cool?
Cold. There you go.
It's cold. Germany CPI came out
Minus 0.5.
minus 0.5% versus 0.9%. Okay. So that could be a nice indication that our CPI could cool off even more as well. So that's interesting. That's yeah. So yeah, Mike put it in Discord. So that's what's kind of getting us moving and grooving right now. And so I don't see why not. Let's continue this push down because that's
Yeah.
I mean, that's a good headline right there that we could get some sympathy move off of. If CPI is cooling off even more, gives the Fed, it's playing right in the Fed's hands. Dump on good CPI. No.
It was expected 0.2 minus. It was minus 0.5.
Oh, I thought it was expected 0.9. Oh, okay. Got it. It was expected minus 0.2 and it came in at minus 0.5. Got it. Okay, so okay. Wait. Huh. Does that mean it's hot? I mean cool? I don't fucking know, dude. I can't think right now.
Yeah, I can't either.
I'm like sick. I could have swore that. I don't even know what the hell. I don't know. Don't mind me, guys. I'm just like trying to survive over here, and I'm trying to fucking use my brain, but my brain's not working. Yeah, it was cool. I think. Yeah, it was cool. Yeah, okay, I found it. There it is. Inflation rate. So yeah, okay. So cooled off, right? Well, I mean that's why gold's moving down because you don't need that. You don't need that inflation trade anymore. Even though gold's not an inflation trade, it's it typically is, but it hasn't been. All right, 3 minutes till COMEX open. Let's get that nice push down.
Yeah. This last 15-minute close was very nice.
Beautiful, dude.
Look at the 30-minute continuing to the downside. I really
Beautiful
like that.
15-minute. I didn't even see that. Wow, that was a fantastic close.
Yeah, my Nasdaq's doing really nice too. So actually, I'm waiting to see if I get some sort of opportunity to get an entry on Nasdaq,
Oh, that's right.
but we'll
So
see.
you're in like a quarter position in Nasdaq.
Yeah,
Huh.
yeah, but it is what it is.
Yeah, whatever.
I'm sure. I usually try to trade Nasdaq or the indices until like 11. So
Yeah.
11. So I'll probably get another opportunity later on. Let's see how Comex does on this gold trade.
Yeah. So I'm looking at. Twitter says no longer enforcing COVID-19 misinformation policy. Well, all right. All right, Elon. Yeah, it's weird that it came out at. It's weird that news came out at 8, but the market reacted at 8:11. Weird.
Mhm.
Maybe it needed time to digest the information. I don't know. German CPI reaction looks like it went down on it was not enough. Huh. Interesting theory. All right, Chemex Open is live. All right, we're under point of control for the day. Come on down. Come on, Comex. Bring us down. 4-hour chart, and that is looking really nice.
Yeah. Yeah, everything to me right now is just screaming sells.
Yeah, agreed. Oh, Comex was it does. So just gotta have to be patient on this one.
No. It wants to retest VWAP. Or not VWAP. What is that? This line on your
That black one, that's the
yeah.
66 moving average.
Okay.
Oh yeah, look at that, huh? Yeah, that's right. You like that indicator, huh?
So
I got that from
I
Q.
looked at your chart real quick. I'm like I immediately I thought VWAP because I only have VWAP. I looked at my chart. So why is your VWAP now where my VWAP is?
That's funny.
Now I realized it wasn't that.
I have VWAP and the moving average.
Mhm.
Borlam, what the hell are you saying right now? RND number function. English, please. Stop speaking nerd. I don't know how to code. If you don't know, Borlam's a professional coder. Is what he does for a living. So this guy's
That's
like
cool.
throwing code at me. Actually, he's the one that gave me this volume profile. He coded this.
Yeah.
It's like
I was looking at it. I was looking at your volume profile. It looks way better than mine.
it's fucking
Mine
sick,
is just
dude.
like mine's just like a regular like
Yeah, it like moves
trading
per
view.
like chart session. What you have like. If I'm looking at a
I've noticed
2-day,
that. Like I've noticed that like you depending on how you move the chart, it moves with it.
yeah,
I'm like,
like
yeah.
if I want to look at a 2-day point of control, here it is. You know, if I want to zoom in for like just today, so it's pretty sick. It's right. It's right, Nick. Nick knows. Scared money don't make money. That's right. Alrighty. Everything's cooling off a little bit before we continue our second leg down. Oh God, I'm dying. Oh man.
There we go. Now, Dixie, if we can just keep moving up,
Dixie.
pretty please.
Oh, I know, right? Dixie's stuck in this damn range.
Yeah, it's pretty annoying.
Yeah, Nick, you ain't kidding, dude. This anytime dude, once winter hits, I'm done, dude. It takes me out. You're right. Tampa is calling my name. I didn't have these issues in Tampa. I tell you. Damn winter. God, I sound like I'm a smoker. All right, price had to retrace this move real quick for gold before we head back down. Fair enough. Oh man, charts decided to slow down a little bit. Messy, messy, messy. All right, come on now. Once the Dixie gets rolling is when we'll be good, but Dixie needs to get his fucking head out of its ass.
It's just very choppy. It's inside this consolidation.
Seriously.
Now we're forming higher lows within this consolidation, but
That's what I'm saying. It's like,
it's just taking
oh, nice
too
gold.
long to develop.
Nice gold. Beautiful.
I'm looking to enter second position on NASDAQ
You won't.
on this little retracement. I have my limit set. I just needed to get a little bit higher for my liking.
Yeah, I like that retracement. Retest this breakdown here.
Yeah.
What are you looking for, like 11,633 or something?
It's actually exactly 11,633.
Ah, that's right.
Yeah.
That's right. Good man. See, good minds think
Yeah.
alike. Nice
Yeah, that's
gold.
funny.
Oh, gold. My saving grace. On top of that pound AUD trade.
Oh, that's right. Damn.
Yeah, remember that?
That's nice. Yeah,
Oh,
that is nice.
dude, no drawdown at all. Dixie. The fact that Dixie couldn't tap that 107.20 area and base under it for a bit shows some weakness. I mean, dude, you got to think about like the way currencies move, right? This move is from overnight session to the high and the close, bad out of hell. It needs some time to like chill and consolidate before then it continues. Like the thing is look at the Dixie's chart. We've been sitting in this consolidation phase here, not really moving much. But if you look at it, Dixie broke these lows right here, came up, ran the highs, pulled back to the 38.2% retracement, and now it seems like we want to rally out of here. So it's just like it's taking a little longer to formulate here. But last time we were at these lows here, and we were creating these higher lows, you know, we rallied to 108. So it's just kind of like mirroring this move back from here. We run the highs, pull back, consolidate, and then rally. So it just needs a little more patience. I don't really know if it necessarily shows weakness because we're setting up to break out. It's just showing that it's, yeah.
50 minutes on gold looks
Oh yeah,
lovely.
dude, gold is really looking sexy. Borderline, can I call gold sexy? Cause damn, dude, daddy's gonna be Oh man, daddy's gonna be eating some filet mignon tonight.
So it's on lobster tail.
That's right. God, dude, this fucking sucks. Ugh.
When did you get sick?
What?
When did you start getting sick?
Yesterday, dude.
Yeah.
Maybe 2 days ago. Dude, my sister got me sick. She came home from Miami, right? Nick, you'll love this. She came home from Miami. Wasn't sick at all. Gets hit with that winter season in Maryland. Gets us all sick. Goes back to Miami, and now she's fine. But now we're all stuck here in Maryland in the winter, all fucking sick and hacking our, lungs out. And it's like, yeah. I've got to stop kissing those babies. Nah, dude, the shitty thing is I think I got my baby. Dude, fucking Borderline, I swear. The shitty thing is I think I got my baby sick. So she was up all last night. Thank God for my wife, because she got up for me. I didn't sleep at all last night, dude, at all. I was up every hour, went to bed at midnight, couldn't sleep. But luckily my wife got up and took care of the baby last night, because I think she's getting sick now, because, oh, dude, it's just a disaster over here. It's absolute disaster. Nice close.
For some reason,
what?
For some reason, when I read got us kissing those babies, I immediately thought about Tom Brady.
Oh my God.
Like the whole thing with him kissing his kids, his sons in the mouth.
It'll
that's
make me
a little
laugh.
weird to me. I don't
I'll
know.
start with a coughing fit. Oh my God. I remember that. It's so funny.
Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah, that was a nice 15-minute.
dude, 30-minute
it's a
close
nice
on gold
30-minute.
too.
Yeah.
Damn, dude.
Very, very nice.
The 15-minute wick up and close bearish, dude. This thing's about to dump.
Yeah.
Dude, Daddy's gonna make
really
some
about,
fucking. Oh. Come on now. Dixie's breaking out. Come on, baby. Dixie's breaking out. We're in business. Gold's about to dump. Dude, the NAS is about to dump. Oh my God.
Yeah, there we go, Dixie.
Daddy's about to order some steak for breakfast. All right, good job, Dixie. You can do it, baby. Come on. I believe in you. God, dude, gold. I am officially erect.
There we go.
Oh,
Boom.
come on now, baby. Let's go. Daddy sitting in a 10, 20, 30, 35 lotter.
10, 30, 25.
No, I'm sitting in a 35 lotter. Total.
35. Oh, you were counting all of them. I was like, bro.
Oh, no. Dude, you think I'm in like a 60 lot right now?
No, yo. Oh, because I forgot. In my head, I was thinking the lot size for NASDAQ.
Oh,
yeah.
No.
But I was like, that would be insane.
Yeah, dude, that'd be nuts. Sorry, Gold's sitting here playing with us.
We don't like positive GDP. Recessions are bullish.
Yeah, exactly. Recessions are That's funny. CAD GDP. What'd that come out as? Oh. Came in as bad. Well, I mean, in line. But a positive GDP. That's funny. bullish recession. Oh man. Oh, da, 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 da. Let's go, baby. Let's fight our way down. Dixie still breaking out. Dixie, nice. Still holding this breakout here.
Mhm.
If I can get a 5-minute close
I
out
was
of this
about to say that
breakout.
as long as it's not like a wick.
Right, exactly.
Yeah.
Like above this, like 106, this blue line here. If I can get a 5-minute close above this area, we're in business.
That's what I'm looking at too.
What's going on, guys?
All right, nice. At least Dixie closed out of this area here, so hopefully we can get that nice continuation.
Yeah.
Okay. You guys see my charts? Cool. All right, you can see nice little, just nice back and forth action in here on the weekly chart. What else we're going to say about that? If you look at the daily chart on the SPY,
Dude, this thing hit
nice step
1748,
down.
and I'm
Nice
sitting in
little
like, I don't even know, like $30,000 profit or something. Not maybe not quite that much, but
That's a lot.
to be fucking sick.
So it definitely, it'll be interesting. You can see the 100's kind of been a nice little support level in here, an area of resistance. So we are getting a little bit of a gap up today. So kind of opposite day from yesterday. So we'll have to see how that plays out. Today's setup
Am I
is
scaling some
not
out?
as
Fuck
big as
no. It's
yesterday's
for
setup.
pussies.
So we'll have to see. If you look at the hourly chart, the 4-hour chart,
Damn. I was mad aggressive, bro.
No, I just, he knows I'm fucking around. No, I'm not going to scale out any on this one.
Wishy-washy, man. Kind of bouncing all over the place. We got a big day tomorrow, so I expect we got to treat today just like the day before the Fed. Okay.
Not a huge fan of
Because
scaling out,
it's not Fed
to be
meeting tomorrow.
honest.
It is a
It's not my trading style.
I mean, that's what everybody's going to be looking at. Interesting.
So once I started thinking about scaling out and actually managing the trade, that's one of my, I just know my strengths and weaknesses, and that's when I start getting emotional about the profits and stuff. And yeah, so I just kind of set and forget.
Yeah.
JT, good morning, brother.
If you look at the 1-minute chart, I mean, the markets are just really.
Yeah, dude, I use the all at once pull out method. I mean, you don't just want to take out partials and get the girl pregnant. You want to just you gotta pull all out at once. Hell no, GT. I'm not long gold right now. I'm short. Borderline, probably safest. Yeah, definitely the safest. It's like the best form of a birth control is pulling all the way out. all at once. But I
I really
have,
like this hourly on gold.
yeah, dude, it's looking nice.
Yeah, I haven't looked at the hourly since the previous.
I haven't either. I've just been staring at the 15-minute.
Yeah.
Although I have 2 kids, so I might not be the best person to be talking about pulling out all at once.
Yeah.
So it's do as I say, not as I do. What's the Dixie doing? Oh, good. Oh, good. Dixie retesting is continuing out.
Yeah. Man, I got swerved for my second entry on Nasdaq, bro.
On the
Like,
Nas.
yeah, let me see.
Oh,
Just like a
yeah, dude.
couple. It was like 2 points, bro.
That came right up to my retest level here, but I wasn't
3 points.
yeah, dude, that's yeah. That's
That's
fucked
life.
up. Right here versus right here. Yeah, look at that, like just missed it.
Yeah.
It's not right.
It is what it is.
Yep. Oh god, I'm dying.
But I mean, if you look at the 1 minute, one small caps, we're just, we're very close to losing right now.
Yeah, JT, I have a bunch of different entries on short on gold. I have one entry right here, one entry somewhere right here, one entry somewhere right here. So I've just been accumulating short positions all in this area here for a pushback down to 1747.
So the question is, where do we go from here? And to me, this is an obvious
CAD USD, damn, should have been trading that one short.
just following a Fibonacci.
Yeah, dude, that's because freaking.
So we'll see.
That's because oil's been
If again,
moving.
we can continue this
Wait, where'd
downside,
CAD
if not,
USD? Wait, you mean USD CAD? Wait, hang on.
rates, we talked about it, calm before the storm.
I assume you mean USD CAD. Well, I mean, just yeah. Yeah. Damn, look at you. Oh my god. Holy shit, look at USD CAD. JT, you're learning. I'm happy to hear that you're watching that because you're exactly right. All my dude, my entries are very similar to that trade of the day one. I'm glad you're paying attention.
No.
That's dude, it's just that simple. Once you that's why you got to be on the charts every day and analyze your trades every day because you start seeing the same setups, same patterns, and you have more confidence to execute and ride this trade out. So got to just make sure you pay attention and get on the charts every day.
I feel like every day I just trade the same exact pattern every single day. Now there's like 10 different ways it can develop.
Yep.
But it's just like
100%. And that's why all my trade of the day videos so far that I've posted have been the same exact setup because it's every day you have the same pattern. It's just forming it a little differently maybe. So it's just yeah. It's CAD USD short inverse for that one. I don't know if you can trade CAD USD. I mean, it has to be. I don't think I don't know. Pablo, can you? I don't think you can trade inverse.
I have not traded.
I don't think you can trade
in a long
inverse.
time.
Let me see if my broker has that. Yeah, dude, my broker doesn't have that. You can't trade it inverse. Dude, gold is making me. I'm just.
Where is it at? Boom. Yeah.
And Pablo's not even watching
There
this.
we go.
Fuck, dude. I'm just setting and forgetting.
Yeah, I try not to. That's my biggest, or that's really my only downfall is that when I look at the P&L, I'm like, oh, that looks crazy.
Oh,
I
yeah.
want to I want to lock in those profits. So what I do now, I put in my position, I let it do its thing, but I manage it almost the entirety of it on TradingView.
Yeah.
So if let's say if for example we had retraced above this high at 1757 on gold, I would have closed my trade out, but I wouldn't be looking at the P&L because at that point I'm down,
Yeah. Right.
1% or maybe a little more than that, and I would like to cut the trade before I lose that. So if
Yeah.
I start managing looking at P&L too much,
I like that.
then I start micromanaging my actual position, and I don't
No,
like
dude.
that.
100%. That's the way it works.
That's when
Yeah.
I went through that period I was telling you about where I was getting like all these paper cuts.
Yep.
Um, and then I would end up break even or just slightly in profits because all my paper cuts end up adding up to like a bigger loss.
Yeah, dude. Yeah. That's why I don't manage. I just set and forget because I take a entry based off the charts, the way it's looking, and it's supposed to make sense. So it should hit my take profit and stop loss either way. So
Mm,
Cyber Monday sales, but again, you look at this chart, look left, it's just not that appealing.
all right,
Now,
what's the
some of the
Dixie
other
doing?
stocks on my list, I got Target,
All right,
Walmart,
cool. Dixie.
nearby,
Oh, dude,
kind of
beautiful
doing its
15-minute
thing.
close out of here for the Dixie.
You got Win, which was a
yeah,
great day trade yesterday.
I've been waiting for a close like this for a minute.
Yeah, dude, same.
Just like, please,
Again,
All right, good. It closed
please.
above these bodies here, so we're good. Dixie's looking good.
Mm,
I'll be watching, maybe get a dip buy on Win. So they dip bought Win yesterday. So I would love to see a trade down into this area of yesterday's high, or even into the open of yesterday, and then see if the dip buyers come in. So I kind of like that trade possibly. Coin with another bankruptcy. I was thinking I wanted to short this one.
yeah, now we need to see it close below 1752 where price is currently basing at.
And then Disney,
Finding some sort of support.
Yeah, I like that. Dixie has no upper wick, so we went right down to grab some liquidity, then head back up.
For Disney, I like trading Disney between this 50% level and the 50. I gave you the easy trade yesterday, and nobody took it. Me neither. But we'll see. We'll see if this, so maybe a good dip buy if they can defend this level. Um, but we'll see. And again, I'll be watching Apple. I mean, if the China plays fall off, Apple should fall off as you get a little bit of a gap up in here. You have Tesla. I probably will be watching Tesla as you're at an interesting level right here. You can see this level 184.40. If they lose that level, then maybe it's headed back down. But I'll be watching that. But I'm
Yeah.
not
All right, I'm
today.
gonna cut the stream
I think
there.
today,
So I mean, because at this point, at least for myself, I'm just chilling with gold and Nasdaq,
Mm,
and that's gonna be my last trades of the day. So for gold, I mean, like at this point, just looking for a run through yesterday's move to 1748, and kind of just chilling my positions. If we start breaking structure and breaking through these previous highs here, then I'll bag it and I'll take a loss on it. Um, but I think we're good for a nice continuation down. Um, Nasdaq, nice break of the structure here, retest. So should start dumping towards the lows, maybe towards
mhm.
nice open. But we'll see. That's all I got for you. Any last minute thoughts, Pablo?
No,
All
I
right.
got nothing.
It's been a pleasure, guys. Thanks, Borlam and JT and Nick. It's been a pleasure chatting with you today. And yeah, see you tomorrow. Peace.
Yeah.